design experiment in biology, and they all had the same exams. The exam problems did not contain any lab-oriented questions that year, so nobody is disadvantaged. And you're probably wondering, how did they do? Well, both groups did exactly the same on the exams. So designing experiments and failing sometimes to find the right answer did not affect their physics knowledge. Everything else was aisle-based. Only the lab was different. And control group did not have exactly full book labs because we didn't give them mathematical procedure. We only removed the design and rubrics. That's the only thing that we removed. They did not have to design their own experiment. So, if we look at timelines, again, we had an observer who sat there all the time. We see exactly the same pattern here. Sense making is all red. It's not because they did it on their own, it's just because it's easy to see. It's just amazing how this pattern repeats and repeats and repeats, and how, they're just not sense-making in the labs when they don't design an experiment. Not only they do not do sense-making, but look at how their sense-making is the same and different. Here, all sense-making is about mathematics, a little bit about design. Here, not only mathematics, which is about the same, a little more, design is much more, but there's a whole list of things that they're doing that these people are not doing. So we basically, again, if I exaggerate, we're robbing them from learning in those labs. Sense-making versus time also is a very interesting graph. So when these two groups started, they were about the same. So all students come anticipating to work. And they would do something, and